Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Corner by Kay. Imagine your phone is ringing right now. Someone is calling you in English. Can you answer naturally without translating every sentence in your head? In today's video, we're going to practice 50 useful English sentences for phone conversations. You'll learn what to say when you answer a call, continue a conversation, deal with a bad connection, and end a call naturally. And because this is day 5 of our shadowing practice series, we're ending the series with one of the most useful everyday English skills, speaking on the phone. If you haven't watched day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4, make sure to check them out. You can find them in the description. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. What is your biggest challenge when it comes to speaking English? Let me know in the comments. I'll make a video about it. Now, relax. Listen. Speak. The first section contains sentences for answering or calling and starting the conversation. Let's begin. Hello, I'm Kay. Hello, I'm Kay. Hi, is this a good time to talk? Hi, is this a good time to talk? Hey, I was just about to call you. Hey, I was just about to call you. Sorry, I missed your call earlier. Sorry, I missed your call earlier. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? I'm calling to ask you about something. I'm calling to ask you about something. Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? I hope I'm not disturbing you. I hope I'm not disturbing you. I wanted to check something with you. I wanted to check something with you. Let me know if you're busy right now. Let me know if you're busy right now. Nice work. Let's keep practicing. The following section has sentences to use during the conversation. Could you speak a little more slowly? Could you speak a little more slowly? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat what you just said? Could you repeat what you just said? The connection is a little weak. The connection is a little weak. You're breaking up a bit. You're breaking up a bit. I'll call you back in a few minutes. I'll call you back in a few minutes. Can you hold on for a moment? Can you hold on for a moment? Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. I'll make a note of that. I'll make a note of that. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. I completely understand what you mean. I completely understand what you mean. Actually, there's something else I wanted to ask. Actually, there's something else I wanted to ask. Can we talk about this later? Can we talk about this later? I'll explain everything when we meet. I'll explain everything when we meet. I'm sorry, I have to go now. I'm sorry, I have to go now. Could you give me a moment to check? Could you give me a moment to check? I'm not sure about that. Let me find out. I'm not sure about that. Let me find out. I'll get back to you once I have the information. I'll get back to you once I have the information. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Let me explain. Let me explain. I think we've got our wires crossed. I think we've got our wires crossed. Could you send me the details by message? Could you send me the details by message? I'll send you the information as soon as I can. I'll send you the information as soon as I can. Can we discuss this when you're free? Can we discuss this when you're free? I'll put you on speaker for a moment. I'll put you on speaker for a moment. Sorry, someone is at the door. Sorry, someone is at the door. Great work so far. You're improving with every sentence. You're almost there. This section has sentences for ending a phone call. Ready? I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. I'll call you when I get home. I'll call you when I get home. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. It was good talking to you. It was good talking to you. Take care and have a great day. Take care and have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. I'll speak to you soon. Talk to you tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow. I'll send you the details shortly. I'll send you the details shortly. Let me know if anything changes. Let me know if anything changes. Please give me a call when you're free. Please give me a call when you're free. We'll talk about the rest later. We'll talk about the rest later. I think that's all for now. I think that's all for now. You did it! Great job completing all 50 sentences, but don't stop here. Let's see if you can use them without looking at the screen. Imagine that your phone is ringing. You answer the call. You have a short conversation. The connection gets a little weak. You clarify something. And finally, you end the call naturally. Try to create the entire conversation in English without translating in your head. That's how you turn these sentences into real speaking skills. And that's a wrap. You've completed day 5, the final day of our 5-day shadowing practice series. Over these 5 days, you've practiced English for different everyday situations. And hopefully, you've started feeling more comfortable thinking and speaking in English. But remember, watching the videos isn't enough. The real progress comes when you speak the sentences aloud, repeat them, and use them in your everyday life. So go back to the videos whenever you need practice and try to speak along with me. If you enjoyed this 5-day series, comment down day 5 completed. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.